right, to open the Carta box, you've got two tabs here, which you can flick out like that. And then you have these two up tabs, which you can open, and then the box unfolds itself. Then you've got this foam insert where everything's included inside of it, and this pull tab. So you're gonna grab that pull tab, pull the foam out of the box. I'm just gonna move this box to the side. Now I can open this up. Then I can put this on its side, open it up, and everything I need to start a project is right here. So you've got a pretty basic manual. You've got 3 batteries to put in your Carta, and then you've got the wheel and the telescoping handle here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put the batteries into your wheel. So I can flip this open. When I slide this spoke around, you'll see the battery insert here. With any screwdriver, I can turn to unlock this, and then I can pop it open with this tab here. Then I can go ahead and insert my batteries. And close and lock that up. The next thing you're going to want to do is put the telescoping handle onto the wheel. So there's a lock here that fits right here. You're going to slide that in. I can then twist this to lock it in place. I can then use this tab to extend or shorten my handle. And the phone holder is right here. So I can go ahead, take my phone, open this up, and place it right in there, and I'm ready to go.